if you want to buy a haunted house near Venice, guys, you know where to look for it. Much like Atlantis, even a small town has a legend linked to everything. Like, you can find a legend in literally every corner here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Chioggia, a nice little town just 40 kilometers away from Venice. So I expected to kind of look a little bit like Little Venice, but who knows? For now, honestly, this panorama looks more like a northern country. It doesn't look Italian at all, but I'm so excited to see this town and to see whether it actually looks like Italy and whether it resembles Venice somehow. So if you're ready, without further ado, let's go with me. Chioggia is a fantastic little town that is set on water, much like Venice, and there are different canals, as you can see, and I honestly like it because I personally love when there is a lot of water in the city, in the town, and there is obviously a local legend that says that Chioggia was built upon an ancient city of Claudia that was immersed under the water, much like Atlantis. This legend actually originated because the local people used to find different objects like amphoras and personal objects underwater. Who knows why? There is a theory that said that probably there were different shipwrecks around here, and that's why the people used to find all these objects. So nobody actually knows whether there was an Atlantis or it was the result of numerous shipwrecks. This whole area has all these statues situated along the canal. However, there is at least one very peculiar statue that has another local legend linked to it. The legend said that there used to be a very poor family and a little child of this family, while praying, heard the voice telling her to smash the statue's head and look for what was hidden inside. And when she did so, she found a treasure inside the statue. I'm not sure whether it was this one or another one, because actually there are two statues without heads, and I don't know which one was smashed by the child and which one was apparently smashed by someone else when they heard about this story and were looking for another treasure. Who knows if these statues have more treasure hidden inside. But look, here's another one, so who knows which one is the original smashed statue. But yeah, I am in awe of how even a small town has a legend linked to everything. Like, you can find a legend in literally every corner here. I think it's so lovely. Chioggia gives me the vibe of a really sleepy town. It's a Saturday afternoon and I can't say that there are too many people around, although we haven't reached the city center yet, so we'll have to check it out. I personally prefer bigger cities and when something is going on at all times, but you know, sometimes it's also good to change the scenery and visit these small, quaint towns. So we'll see. I've already said that I think it's absolutely fascinating how many legends and stories, mystic stories there are in a town as small as Chioggia. And another one says that in this area, Corte this place, this courtyard, used to be frequented by the witches. And you guys know how much I love a good witch story. I cannot resist it. So let's go and have a look what's inside there. I honestly wouldn't say that it looks mysterious or witchy or anything, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. a really characteristic courtyard that looks kind of like one of the courtyards in Venice, but also, yeah, I can totally imagine witches gathering here for their mystical rites. Look at these colorful houses, guys, and the laundry hanging from the windows. Honestly, it makes me think of Venice a lot, and even more so, it makes me think of the islands of Venice, like Burano, for example, which is my absolutely favorite island. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a video from the islands of Venice, from Burano, Murano, many more islands, famous and less famous islands. I would love to create a video for you from there. And I also have a post on my Patreon where I talk about these islands and all the things you can do there and what you can find there, how can you reach them. So make sure to check the link in my description and subscribe to my Patreon page where I post a lot of travel content, more hidden tips and other secrets, and also panoramic views, restaurants, hotels, itineraries, all things Italy. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below so you don't miss anything new. I post new travel vlogs every week and I am so happy to see you here, and I hope that you will join our lovely family. Also, if you want to help me support this channel, make sure to hit the thanks button down below. And thank you so much to everybody who has already done that. I was looking for this bridge, guys, which is called Ponte Scarpa, and it literally translates into the shoe bridge, the bridge of a shoe. Who knows why? I don't think it looks like a shoe, but it's called this way. Bo? I don't know why. I love the word bo in Italian, which means 100 million things. And also, since we're very close to Venice, let me know in the comments if you get the pop culture reference and tell me the film I was referencing here. But yeah, look at this bridge. Still, the view from here is fascinating. But besides the view, most importantly, I was looking for this bridge, Ponte Scarpa, because of this house. Look at this building. It's totally abandoned and it's actually on sale. So guys, if you want to find a house like this in Chioggia, you may consider buying it. But before making this decision, listen to me. This house has a not very good reputation in this town because it is said, according to the local legend, once again another local legend, it is said that this house used to be inhabited by a witch who used to steal little children, and it was kind of like a portal between the real world and the world of demons. And then the locals, once they hunted the witch down and made her leave the city, they created this little kind of an icon statue of Saint Mary with baby Jesus as to close this portal and to finish the demonic happenings inside this building. Or at least that's what the legend says. I am not really sure because honestly it's very common to have these statues on the buildings in Italy, and especially in this region, in Venice as well. You can see lots of statues like this on the houses. So who knows, but this house looks absolutely abandoned and you can buy it. So if you want to buy a haunted house near Venice, guys, you know where to look for it. This lion, guys, is supposed to be the symbol of the Republic of Venice. However, honestly, it looks more like a parody for a lion, not a real lion. It's so tiny. In fact, locals call it a cat instead of a lion. According to the local legend, this lion, well, let's call it lion, is built in this way, so small, because the person who commissioned it didn't want to spend too much money on it. Another legend says that this was the way to show disrespect to the Republic of Venice. We don't know why did this happen, but honestly, I have never seen a lion this small in all of the cities that once belonged to the Republic of Venice. It's absurd, guys. I didn't expect it to be that small. In fact, when I was researching Chioggia and when we were going here, I even didn't want to stop by here because I'm like, you know, how would someone call a lion a cat? And why would they do it? But then when I saw it, it's ridiculous. It's funny. It's really, really funny, guys. Look how tiny is it. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog from Chioggia, from this, well, yeah, little Venice, because this city is full of water and canals, and I think it's absolutely lovely. The atmosphere here is lovely as well. And if you want to have an alternative day, you know, a relaxed day in a place that resembles Venice, but is not Venice, you know where to look for it. There are legends on every corner, and you know, everything is just so cute here. I loved it. If you're new here, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button down below so you don't miss anything new. And as usual, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends so I can make more videos like this. Thank you so much for being here and enjoy your day.